So, can you see here a new and shining car? Yes, of course you are seeing. But what if I tell you stereo inside this car isn't that smart? Okay, so let's make it smart by modifying it with the Woodman's own stereo. Okay, so here we are inside a new car. It's new and shining. Of course, you are seeing the new car. But what if I tell you the stereo is missing here? Stereo isn't there in that car. So let's make this car smart by modifying it with Woodman stereo. Let's install the Woodman stereo in this car. So, are you excited to see the new look of the new car with installed stereo of Woodman? Just have a look, guys. So now you can see the screen. It is quite impressive with a different and unique color, and I like this color very much. And like you can see the various applications here. Now you can choose your application according to your choice. If you want to listen radio, then you can go to radio and choose your frequency according to it. Yay! Yay! So like if you want to go back, you just come back and you can find a section with applications. Here you will get different application. You can install plenty of application here, just like your smartphone or tablet or laptop. Now if you want to switch YouTube, you can go to YouTube and watch any video, whatever you want in your driving, in your suffer, that makes your suffer more enjoying and entertaining. Like if you want to install any other, like if you are going to any other place and want navigation, so here you can go with navigation. And here it is asking for sign in, so you have to be sign in with your account and then go to this part. Like, and here you get a split screen option. Okay, so here you are seeing a split screen option. It is completely lag free. On one part you can opt for map. You can navigate to any location wherever you want to. It's a season of IPL, so if you are traveling from your office or any other place to your destination, and you want that you don't want to miss any match or any innings, so you can switch to this part in split screen option. It's quite cool. Now coming back and now clearing it, and we can see here to this option. Yes, now you can connect your phone. You need not to put the phone headset to your ears while driving. You can connect to phone here by the Bluetooth or any other method. Okay, so with these plenty of new features, now this cool car is now more cooler with the stereo of Woodman India का अपना brand. सर सबसे पहले आपको बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ, lot of congratulations for your new car and the new Woodman's stereo is installed now in your car. नाउ कैसा लग रहा है आपको एक अपनी शानदार सी कार में आपका एक स्मार्ट स्टीरियो, लाइक हम आउटडेटेड ज़माने से कहीं आगे आ गए, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के साथ, बहुत सारी फीचर्स के साथ वुडमैन का स्टीरियो जो है वो आपकी नई कार में इंस्टॉल हो गया. सो अब कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
इट्स गुड, इट सीम्स वेरी गुड, इनोवेटिव एंड यूआई इज आल्सो वेरी कंफर्टेबल
जी,
एंड क्विकली आई कैन एक्सेस लॉट मेनी फीचर्स.
ऑल द बेस्ट, आपकी हर एक जर्नी जो है वो कमाल की हो.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.